Hey guys, if you have low CRS score for Express Entry of Canada and you want to improve it, this video is for you, where I'm going to tell you one simple trick which would magically shoot up your score. Stay tuned. Hello friends, this is Shitanshu. Welcome to my channel Dream Abroad. If you want to immigrate to Australia or Canada without paying hefty fee to the consultants, I've got tons of videos coming soon for you. Please subscribe. Alright, if you want to know how to calculate your CRS score, you can visit my channel or click on the link that I've provided in the description box below. Okay, now to understand this trick, it's important to first list down the major factors which affect your CRS score. First one would be the age, CRS score for which will be maximum for 20 to 29 years. Second would be your educational qualification. CRS score will be maximum for doctorate and master's degree. Next is work experience. 3 years or more would give you maximum points. Canadian factors like education or work in Canada also affect your CRS score. And the last could be IELTS, language proficiency test, for which CLB 10 or more would give you maximum CRS points. Now, age is not a factor that you can control. Education you can, but if you don't hold a doctorate or master's degree, you won't just go for it just to improve your CRS score, right? Work experience, it would also be like whatever it is. Canadian factors can't be changed if you haven't been to Canada. Now, IELTS score, yes, this is something which is in your hands and which could give wings to your CRS score. This is what will cause the magic to happen. So let's focus on IELTS score for now. Here, CLB stands for Canadian Language Benchmarks. CLB 10 means band score as 8.5 in listening, 8 in reading, and 7.5 each in writing and speaking. CLB 9 means 8 in listening and 7 each in reading, writing, and speaking. CLB 8 means 7.5 in listening and 6.5 in rest all sections. The better your score in IELTS, the better is your CRS score. Now, scoring CLB 10 is certainly not everyone's cup of tea. However, CLB 8 is pretty easy. Just with little bit of practice and self-confidence, it can be scored. Now, let's talk about CLB 9. This is where the trick is and the magic actually happens. Although, if you can get CLB 10, there's nothing better. But if you're not that good in English, CLB 9 is achievable and is the magic wand for you. Now, let me show you how the magic actually happens. Let's suppose you are here at CLB 8. And with just a little bit more practice, you manage to score 0.5 band more in each section and touch that magical band which is CLB 9. Straight away, 45 points gets added to your CRS score. Yes, it's true, 45 points. I will demonstrate it to you shortly. But if you score even 0.5 band lesser in any one of the 4 sections, you don't get to earn those 45 points. Big loss. Now, some of you might say that scoring CLB 9 is not easy. Yes, it's not that easy as it sounds, but it's not that difficult as well. And I'm telling you this from my personal experience. I will now show you my personal IELTS report. I appeared for the test, but unfortunately missed that magical score, as I could only score band 6.5 in writing. Then with some more practice I appeared again and boom, CLB 9 it was. If this official text message from IDP India is not enough, I would even show you my actual test report. Here it is. You can see 8.5 in listening and 7 or more bands in the other sections. which means CLB 9. Friends, in such an open platform like YouTube, most people would hesitate to show their report, and in admitting that they appeared twice for the test. But to motivate and help you, I want to be very frank with you all. I am also one of you. My English is also not that good, but I could easily score CLB 9 with just little more efforts. So, guys, it might not be easy, but it's certainly not difficult. And as they say, nothing worth having comes easy. Some more practice, zero point 0.5 band improvement, and you would get 45 additional points, which is a big bonus. Alright, this wasn't supposed to be a motivational video. I will now show you the demo if it actually happens or not.
Alright guys, so I'm here in the official website of Government of Canada, and this is the CRS calculator screen. So I've already filled the details here for you. I've selected the marital status as single, age as 28 years, and level of education is equivalent to bachelor's. And coming to the language proficiency, I've selected it as CLB 9, which is speaking 7, listening 8, reading 7, and writing 7. So let's just calculate the score. So the score turns out to be 429. So remember this, 429. I'll quickly go on and change the score here, IELTS score. So it was 7. I'll just take it down to 6.5. 6.5 band difference in any one of them, okay? Let's calculate the score again. 384, which is 45 points lesser. So I'll make it 7. Any one other like this one, 6.5. Calculated it again, still 384. So you see this massive difference, and this is why CLB 9 is magical. That if we make it again to 7 and calculate it, it becomes 429 yet again. So just in case if you have master's degree, I've calculated it for bachelor's degree. Now this will also make a massive difference. Calculate 469, which is 40 points higher. But if you don't have a master's degree, obviously you're not gonna get a master's degree first just to apply for the Canadian PR. But if you have it, this is again a big bonus. So this is it. I just hope this was helpful for you. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. If you have any queries or doubts, please comment in the comment section below. I would also love to hear the feedback from you. Please like and share this video, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you.